Right here. Perfect, yes, okay. Okay, we're in the middle of a hailstorm in Wyoming, in case you're wondering what that noise is. Not rain, hail. Straight up hail. Right on top of us. No tornado signs yet, but this is a situation that is really not good because we were on the edge of a hillside. That hillside could slide. If it does, the tiny home and me in it are going over the edge. We're going in a hole, hang on. Okay. That's okay, we're in a hole. It's okay, it's okay. Okay, that was a lot quicker than I thought it was. We are cooking up some bird's eye. Looks pretty good so far. Should be a few minutes before this is really good. We can't go with chains. We gotta just drag her up the hill. We'll worry about chains later. We call this a CTC, which stands for cargo trailer conversion, or cargo trailer camper, or cargo trailer crap, whatever you want to call it. It has all kinds of names. In case you're wondering what 4-week-old poop looks like after it's been chemically treated, and there's your answer. A month to 17 children, I would have thought you might have had like 30 of those cards.
Oh, this is just for 2 days?
This is not a video to attract viewers. This is exactly what the frig is happening outside right now. We're going to go out there in a minute with me and we're going to see exactly what we're dealing with. But this is not pretty, folks. This is bad. And we need to get out of here soon. Like yesterday. Sounds like it's kind of slowing down, so we're going to take a peek in a minute here. I don't know how much of this will actually end up on recording, but alright, let's go out there and see what we got. I'm trying to get the tiny home unhooked. Crap, I need a battery. Yep, that'll work. Look on the ground. You guys see this? You see this? This is definitely not rain. And it hurts. Oh boy, does it hurt. What we're gonna do is we're gonna hook up Maggie. We're gonna hook up Maggie. We gotta get the jacks up, or at least partially up, so we can move her safely. They don't have to be all the way up, they just have to be off the ground. We're not going anywhere with her, we're just dragging her away from the edge of the cliff. They're not gonna go smoothly, but we'll do our best. All right, next up, we gotta get Maggie backed up. First, we gotta turn the gas off. This may not be a big deal. I mean, they're making a big deal out of this, but I don't know. It's like 5 or 6 inches. Tell where I am. Okay. Crap. Oh, crap. Hold on, guys. Hold on. Hang on, guys. Oh. Okay. Yeah, I know. Ouch. Crap, we're not even near her. Freaking hate this. Ouch. Oh, Lord. Ouch! Ouch! Okay. We gotta pour it a little more. Ow. Alright, she's almost there. We gotta send her back exactly straight. Ouch! This really hurts! Oh my God! Oh, we're right on the money. Let's take her back a little further. So close! Alright, let's get it turned out. Ah! That didn't feel good. Oh, how do I? Alright. I'm working on it, guys. About 2 inches maybe. 2 seconds. Ah! Not quite, but close. Ah! Ah! Oh my God, that hurts. Holy crap. Okay. Alright, we're sinking down. Oh, look at this. Ouch! Oh, I'll show you that. Alright. 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 Yeah. I got her. Let's go inside. Alright. Oh. Oh my God. Oh! Holy cow. Oh my God. We gotta get the defrost on so I can see where I'm going. So we can get out of here. Oh. Okay. Alright. We're okay. Maggie, you're gonna have to pull me. Once my defrost comes on, Mags, I'm out of here. I got hail the size of baseballs out here. Come on, Mags, defrost! Defrost me! Holy crap! Okay, I can start to see a little more, Mags. Come on! Oh, let's go, Maggie! Oh my God! Light me up, baby! Okay, okay, all right. That's it, baby. Defrost me. Here, I'll help you out a little bit. Okay, 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 okay. All right. All right. Let's get the frig out of here, Mags. Roll, we're going slow, baby. Okay, slow and slow. Come on, baby. Defrost me. Oh my God. Get me down there lower. Off of that mountain. All the lights I can use right now, guys. Oh my word, what a storm. We'll take her down lower, way lower. Lower down this mountain. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Rabbit. Okay. 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 Okay, she should be safe down here. Freaking hands. Ow. Poor car. Oh, oh my God. Oh my God, my hands. Oh, my hands feel like they're busted. Oh. Oh. Okay. Oh. I'm not even messing with this tonight. Like, no way am I messing with this. Oh, the jack's fried. I had no choice though, and it was a piece of crap anyway. It was either that or I end up friggin' dead in the off the ledge. That one survived. That one survived. Okay, 3 survived, 2 didn't. I'll take that. It's fine. Oh. Good God. What a storm. What a storm. Oh, my word. Oh. Oh. Whoa. Oh my God. Okay. We're just gonna put this down just to keep her safe. And oh. We're gonna have to deal with him tomorrow. Wow. There's nothing left of him. Whew. I had no choice. I had to go. That storm was gonna flood us, throw us off the road. Okay, guys. Wow. That was intense, to say the least. It doesn't happen every day. I don't know how much it was actually caught on camera, but oh my God. Oh, you're kidding me. The moon's out? We just had a, whatever that was, and the moon's out? Oh, what is this stuff? Oh, please tell me we don't have any more. Oh. Okay. Alright guys, I'm going to hook up the propane. I'm leaving it right here. See if I got enough road here. It has plenty of road for everybody else. Okay. Alright. I'm going to hook up the propane and get dried off because I'm freezing to death right now. Okay guys, I guess we'll see you next time on the Tiny Wonderland. Stay safe. And don't go out and play in the whatever this is.